Greetings! It's Maxo Diddley. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can use console commands in Neverwinter Nights 2 Enhanced Edition on Steam, but still keep Steam achievements enabled. Let's get right into it. So the first step is you want to open up the console. To do so, press the tilde key on your keyboard. Normally it's going to be located to the left of the 1 key. After that, click OK on the Using Cheats pop-up. Then type in debug mode and 1. You need to capitalize it like I've done so on the screen. After that, do the console commands you want to use. I'll do give XP, then a large number. Once you've finished doing all of the commands you want to do, press the tilde key on your keyboard to close the console menu. Then you want to go and save your game. So press escape, then go to save game, then click on an empty slot, then click on save game. Then call this whatever you like. I'll call it cheat save. Then click on OK to save your game. The next step is, we now want to close Neverwinter Nights 2 Enhanced Edition. So click on exit game. Now you want to go to your Windows File Explorer. So you need to go to the Neverwinter Nights 2 folder in your Documents section on your PC. And if you're lucky, you can just click on Documents in this menu on the left here. However, if you don't see it, follow what I'm doing. So you want to go to your C drive, so click on this PC, then go to C drive, then go to Users, then you want to pick the user you're currently logged into. So I'm going to click on Maxod. Then you want to scroll down a bit until you find Documents. So click on it. Then you're going to see a Neverwinter Nights 2 folder. So click on it. Then you want to scroll down and go to Saves. And this folder will contain every save file that you have for Neverwinter Nights 2. If you see the Documents section somewhere else on your computer, you can just click on it and you'll be sent to your Documents folder. But if you don't see it, just follow what I did. But in our Neverwinter Nights 2 saves folder, we're going to either want to sort by date modified, so the most recent save file is at the top, or we can just scroll to the bottom. The folders won't be named with your save file name. It's going to be a number, then followed by a date, then followed by a time. So just go by the most recent save that you've done. Then you want to open up the folder. And you're going to see a file called globals.xml. And I strongly recommend you use a piece of software called Notepad++. You can use Notepad, but it's going to be a bit messy. So download Notepad++. There's a link in the description below. It's free and really quick to install. Then what you want to do is, once you have Notepad++, you want to click on globals.xml, then right click, and then either go to Open with, then Notepad++, or click on Edit with Notepad++. You can also use other text editing software if you want to. So now what you want to do is, you want to either click Ctrl F on your keyboard, or go up to Search, then click on Find. And what you want to have in the Find What is ShowCheat with the same capitalization as I have. Then you want to click on Find Next. And this is going to take you to a boolean. So you can now close the Find menu. And the first step is, where it has the value 1 underneath the ShowCheatsWarning, I want you to replace that 1 with a 0. Then there's going to be another boolean. And this boolean is called cheater, and it has a value of 1. So I want you to select boolean, and just continue to drag until you get to the end of the other boolean text. And this is the entire boolean called cheater. And you want to delete the same text I'm deleting. Then you just want to get rid of this line as well. And what we've done is we've completely removed the cheater variable. So now we're going to click on the save button. And once you saved it, you can then close Notepad++. And that's all you have to do. This save file will now continue to get Steam achievements if you continue playing from it. Thanks for being a great audience. Be sure to leave a like in the comments if you enjoyed, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.